Nuevo. They're in Nuevo. They're on Lakeview, right next to New View. This is how they blocked it, because I'm here. All the way down the street. This is Miss Upton's house. She's a teacher at Valley View for probably like 50 years. And they're killing all of her chickens. Let me zoom out. Sorry, I'm trying to hold my umbrella. There's no CHP here. This truck right here is with them. That car is with them right there. And, oh, I'm stuck on the hazardous tape right there. That guy said he's gonna call CHP on me. This truck, that white car, they're all together. Still birds alive. I can still hear him squawking, even though they're putting him away. Pretending like they're dead. Yes, she is home. I spoke with her. She's absolutely distraught. Her husband's inside crying. He can't even pull himself together. This guy, I have him recorded laughing so many times at the other Hispanic man with the sunglasses, even though it's not sunny. He also was laughing, and I have it recorded. He's like, do you guys see that giant mess of spray? That's what you're gonna get at your house. Nobody knows what that stuff is. Nobody. For all we know, that's a freaking disease right there. So that is where the caution tape, it doesn't say keep out tape, it says caution. That's where that starts down there. And I'm going to show you where it ends. So I have it on video. I was standing over here and they tried to caution me in. Because that is where her birds are. Some of them. The rest are in the back. But just for an idea, this is how much caution tape they put up. What are they trying to keep out? You don't want me to document this or what? All the way to there, her entire property. Carrie, I already tried. They won't go on camera. This guy might. Do you have anything you'd like to say about this? No, nothing you'd like to say. Exactly.
I will give you a card if you...
Oh, I would very much appreciate the card, sir. I don't want to cross the line. I don't want to cross it.
You can take it.
Why are you guys doing this?
I'll answer all of your questions, I promise.
This... Oh, gosh. It's alright.
I got it.
This is what I think about the CDFA and the USDA. Dirt. That's why I want my card this way. This is how it belongs. This is how they should come. They said ask them your questions. They won't answer any of your questions. Danielle, we're in Nuevo on Lakeview. We got another truck that just pulled up, a white Ram. Those white Rams. You guys should switch up your vehicles. You're too easy to find. And don't say you're not hiding, because when we follow you guys, you try to go down every street to lose us. So don't say you're not trying to hide. And I record you guys going way over the speed limit. Yes? Oh, it's all being documented, man. It's ready to go. It's ready to go. It's hard when none of you guys have tags that show any of your names. Anybody could be driving these trucks. You want to know which one. It just took off. The Ram just took off. I'm sure I have it already anyways. Look at, they're causing a freaking traffic jam right here. By the way, they're about 500 feet away from a school, so I know this has to be some sort of regulation, something or other, I don't know. They're one house down from the school, so. From New View School. Where are you guys? No, I did not see any testing going on. They just put them right into the buckets. By the way, everybody, I did pass this tape and nothing happened, so I told them to call the CHP and there's still no CHP here, so nothing happens. You guys can cross the tape, nothing's gonna happen. It says caution, not keep out. There's the Ram. There's the ram. Got it? Lisa Lang. They are strapping down their clean, dirty buckets and undressing. Everybody, get a show? Yeah. I'm literally holding my arm up as high as I can because there's a fence in front of me. And all these people like to block it. They open the door so I can't see. So that's my vantage point right here. We're in Nuevo, guys. Nuevo all day, all night, all morning, every day. Till every bird in Nuevo is extinct. That's what we're looking for here, guys. No more chickens. Yes, they are undressing in the same place that they disinfected the buckets. So they're basically stepping in all the juices. So funny. Look at that freaking mess they left, you guys. Her entire driveway. And they walked in it. Wow. Can we just get a view of that real fast? Sorry, I had to. Tomorrow at 9. The lady said tomorrow at 9. Look how old her booties look, like years old, right?
Well, it's wet outside.
They're ripped
Where?
on the bottom. Oh, that little
It is
flap,
dirty.
that little flap looked ripped right there.
It's not ripped. They're fine.
Why don't they all get heavy duty ones like that, the yellow ones? Why are some of them like, those are like cloth, they're like material. He said they're different sizes. This guy right here. I had no idea that Lysol worked on a disease.
Pretty effective.
Really? I thought it was just for like antibacterial and stuff. He says it's a commercial product and it will kill diseases, guys. Spray it on your fungus. It'll get rid of it. Back up, because I don't have any biosecurity gear on. Alright guys, gotta load it up because they're moving to the next house. See them? They're trying to get to the next house before these guys leave. I'm not following these guys. These guys are going to the dump where they belong.